Do not throw away the leftover bread, try this delicious recipe. To start our recipe, I will start cutting 2 loaves, and then I will chop into small pieces. Tell me if you have any differentiated recipe with bread, I would love to know. Done this, I will transfer to a container and add 3 eggs on top. Then I will transfer to another container. Now I will season with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, a little parsley to taste. Finally 250 milliliters of milk, and I will mix everything very well with the help of a spatula until all the ingredients are added. My friends always ask me to teach how to make this recipe. Then I will add some butter in a pan to grease. I will spread with a brush to facilitate. Now I will add half of the mixture we did previously in the pan, and I will arrange with the help of a spatula. This recipe is amazing, the result will surprise you. Then I will add mozzarella to taste on top, but the amount is optional. Done this, I will add the rest of the mixture, and I will arrange with the spatula to cover the cheese close our recipe. This recipe has become routine here at home, so delicious, that is the result. At last, I will cover and let cook for 10 minutes. Past time, I'll turn our recipe in the pot. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Carol Garcia from Scotland. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I will cover and let cook for another 5 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. Has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried it. Now I can't stop doing it. This recipe is simply amazing. Make it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. Is an amazing recipe, quick, easy, goes few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.